In today's video, we will be answering an important Nebosh Igc1 question. Outline reasons why it is important that an organization maintains an employer's liability insurance. It is important for an organization to maintain an employer's liability insurance for the following reasons. 1. Legal requirement. In many countries, it is a legal obligation to have employer liability insurance to protect employees. 2. Financial protection. It covers compensation costs and legal fees if an employee is injured or becomes ill due to work-related activities. 3. Employee confidence. Knowing they are financially protected can boost employee morale and trust in the employer. 4. Business continuity. Insurance helps the organization avoid serious financial losses that could disrupt operations or even lead to closure. 5. Compliance evidence. Having insurance demonstrates the organization's commitment to legal and moral responsibilities regarding worker safety,